Welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, we'll show you how to make Windows animations smoother step by step. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and fixes. Step 1. First, let's open the registry editor. Press Windows key plus R to open the run box. Type regedit and press enter. Step 2. In the registry editor, navigate to the following path. Just paste this command on the registry editor address bar. Step 3. Look for the entry named Menu Show Delay on the right side. Double-click on it to modify its settings. Step 4. In the Value Data field, you can enter any value between 0 and 4000. To speed up Windows animations, choose a smaller value, ideally between 0 and 150. Click OK to apply the changes. Now, restart your PC to let the changes take effect. And that's it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more updates.